Good evening, all of you. I would like to say to all of you in the last video, all are given very wonderful comments. Really feeling pleasure. I need this type of feedback for to making to the new video for all of you. I want to in this video I want to clarify the role of educational technology in the 21st century teacher. Anyway, difference before I'm going to the main concept, I want to highlight the concept of educational technology first. More or less, everybody is well aware of how come the technology is touching to our day-to-day life. What I will tell here, morning to evening, without technology, we are not sustaining. If our eyes is opening, we are searching where is the WhatsApp and where is our my mobile. Before we are touching to our face by the water, we are touching by hand to the WhatsApp to taking our one up to dates. From this, I can share here how much our life is attached with the technology. Now, a question arises: how come our education is free from the technology? Day by day, the technology having a wonderful impact upon the education and creating a new branch in the field of education that is known as educational technology. While I'm talking about educational technology, three major concept is coming to here. I want to say to all of you, one is the technology in education, and second one is the technology of education, and the third one is the system approach. Dear friends, these are the three things systematically they developed the concept of educational technology. If we're opening the sketch of the educational technology, no doubt technology in education is the oldest concepts. And from technology in education, we are very much clear about the concept that means you are using the technological product in the field of a teaching learning process, making teaching learning process more interesting and wonderful. That's the basic objective. From the very beginning, I can say to all of you, computer developed from the very beginning. People that are using the computer for the basic purpose of calculation. Day by day, the computer is used in different fields. It's touching to the banking sector, it's touching to the education sector, it's touching to the business sector, and even the computer is also touching to the soft. Also, people also using the computer in a different manner. But nowadays, it is using in the field of education. And if you're talking about the projector, from the very beginning, while I am in the very small kids, and while I'm going to the movie center, I'm observing someone is keeping a light in the behind the behind the people, and that is also the best example of the overhead slider, overhead projector, and day by day that is also coming to the classroom also. These are the best example of a technology in education, and later on the people they recognize to the concept of a technology in education into the hardware approach. Hardware approach means basically we understood the physical parts of the computer, but day by day it is used very systematically, and all the technological products are using. I can give a best example nowadays. If you're going back to the WhatsApp, and then you can go back to the different social media, Facebook, all the things are coming on the purview of technology in education, and how they're having an impact upon this during COVID-19, during the lockdown, how they are really very much interesting, how they're impacting education. It's an example in the world galaxy now in these days. But anyway, this is the thing of the technology in education which is working very effectively. At the same time, if we're talking about the concept of at the same time, if we're talking about the concept of a technology of education, I can say to all of you, technology of education, normally we understood what? And normally we understood the application of a psychological principle in the field of teaching learning process. Dear friends, while we're talking about the psychological principle, I can give a best example. Without psychology, nothing can happen inside the classroom. If you want to be a successful teacher, you are supposed to be the master of psychology, by which we can enjoy to the classroom very systematically for this reason. But anyway, I can give a best example how come the psychological principle helping in the classroom modifying the student and teacher's behavior. Difference, give a link to the psychological theory, the learning theory, the oldest one which is given by the E.L. Thorndike, and that is our trial and error. If you are going to deep into matter into trial and error, the three basic principle is coming, that is the law of use, that is law of exercise, and a law of readiness, and law of effects. These three principles if you are using in the teaching learning process, I am telling very frankly, classroom going to be wonderful. Difference, you can go back to the principle which is developed by the which is coming from the insightful learning, that is the principle of whole two parts. All the things making teaching learning process so easy. And in short, later on the people that telling the technology of education means it is software approach, and software approach means it is a set of instruction which modify the student and teacher's behavior. With regard to this, I can give a best example to all of you, the micro teaching and the team teaching, which is very much the best example. The later on, the latest model, the latest concept of education technology, I want to tell to all of you, that is your That is your system approach. And system approach means we understood the in a single sentence. I want to say to all of you, while the 4 a.m. they're working together. Now a question arises, what is the 4 a.m.? 4 a.m. means, my dear student, I want to share here. The 4 a.m. means mason, material, media, uh, man. When these three, that means the teacher, when they are working together, learning is going to be the best transaction. The learning is going to happen in a very effective manner. This is all about the concept of educational technology, and slowly I can go into the concept how the educational technology is helpful for the second either for the teachers, and how it is helpful for the student also. In my next video, I can say to all of you my remaining the concepts, and I try to follow to our channel, and I try to subscribe channel, and I like the channel. Then you can enjoy your education day by day. Thank you to all of you, and giving a concentration to my video.